Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this super easy and inexpensive DIY Halloween wreath. I absolutely love how it turned out and it was super easy to make. So if you guys want to see how I made this, just keep watching. These are all the materials that I'm going to be using to make this wreath. I did end up not having to hot glue on the sign, so that was really exciting. And I pretty much got everything out of the Halloween section at Hobby Lobby. So to get this wreath started, you're gonna need a wire wreath. I found mine at Hobby Lobby, but you can find this at any of your local craft stores. And here I'm just lining up my little Halloween sign. I was originally going to hot glue it, but I realized that I could just hang it up with the wreath. So to get started, you're going to be using some tulle. You absolutely don't have to use any of the same materials that I used in this video. You can use any kind of ribbon, burlap, anything you want. These are totally versatile. You can do whatever you want with this, any colors, but this is just what I'm doing to make it super fluffy and wicked and wispy. I want that crazy wreath on my door. So I'm basically just going to cut a bunch of pieces of tulle. I think I ended up using almost 100 pieces of this. I used about 7 pieces in each little section that you can see there on the wreath, and there's 8 sections. So it was a good bit of tulle, and I think the most time-consuming part of this whole project was cutting up all of the ribbon and the tulle. But basically, you're just going to tie the tulle around the entire wreath. I didn't film myself doing this around the entire thing, but you guys get the picture. And when you're done, you'll just have this super fluffy outer ring. I absolutely love this, and it just looks so crazy and awesome, and I cannot wait to see this on my door. And then on the next ring, I actually ended up skipping down to the 3rd ring halfway through, but it really doesn't matter which ring you tie this onto, but I'm just going to be tying my ribbon. And this is in no order. Honestly, if I had one thing to tell you guys, it would be to make sure you have 2 rolls of ribbon for each ribbon that you want to use, because I ended up running out of purple towards the end of my wreath, but I made it work. And I'm really picky with how I like things, so you guys will see me messing around a lot, but basically you're just going to tie these all the way around just like you did with the tulle. And like I said, this doesn't have to be in any order. You guys can use any ribbon that you want. I tried to keep a consistent pattern around the whole wreath, but like I said, I ended up running out of purple. And then when you're done, you'll have this big, fluffy, beautiful wreath. I did feel like there were some spots that looked a little bare or that needed something extra, so I did add smaller pieces of black tulle to the inner ring, but not all the way around, just kind of wherever I felt looked bare. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. It is super easy and simple and super inexpensive. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little DIY craft with me. I had so much fun making it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.